Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Man, we got something cool in for you from Ruger Knives, as you can see right there. So stay tuned after we roll that intro, and we're going to take a closer look at that guy. Alright guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. As you saw, we're going to take a look at the CRKT / Ruger Hollow Point Plus P. Don't even ask me what that plus P means. I have no clue. All I know is that there are 3 versions of this blade out there. There's this one, the normal, and the compact. But with that being said, here she is. Just an absolute beast and an absolute beautiful blade. It is made by my hands-down favorite designer, Ken Onion, and I could tell just by looking at that blade with the big, beautiful, swooping motions that he usually has in all of his blades. I will say for the record, I added the lanyard, so no, that does not come with it. Now, I mean, just look at that thing. Look how beautiful it is. How sexy, how sweet. What caught me immediately was, I should say, the scales, how they were basically 2 parts, and not to mention the big swooping part on the blade. I just knew it was Ken Onion before I took a look. After I turned it like that and saw Onion design, it was coming home. Now, with all that wonderful stuff being said, it's got an overall length of 8.50 inches. The blade is 3.625. Sorry, guys. Enclosed, it's 4.875. Now, it's got a weight to it of 5.94 ounces, so it's got some heft. Alright. Now, I don't know if you caught that right there. That's the symbol for the IKBS system. Alright, guys. These are really not thumb studs, because it's not really going to help ratchet it open. Those are kind of like a blade catch. That's about the best way I can put it. Don't use those to open it, but man, it just flies right out of there. Now, as you can see, it does have a plain edge with a hollow grind and a satin finish. Those of you who've been following the channel, you know I love satin finishes just as much as I do stonewash. Now, this is the first one I've run into that I've owned of this. It's a trailing point style blade. Man, that thing, it's beautiful. I love the jimping up top. It's a nice add. What kills me, though, is they make a beautiful blade like this, and it's 8CR13 MOV steel. I know, budget steel, but for the cost on this, I was expecting something a little bit better. You do have a stainless steel frame in there. Hope you can see that in there. Okay. Now, what kills me? These are polymer inserts. All right? Now, I got to give credit to a viewer. Basically, I was calling them plastic. I have been informed that stuff like this is not part of the plastic family. It is part of, the polymer family. So, there we go. Polymer inserts. Now, I like how they say it's got tip up, tip down carry. Basically, it's right-hand side only. It is reversible, as you can see. Yeah, okay. Sorry, I got ahead of myself with something. And with a lot of these blades that CRKT is doing, this is made in China. Now, for the fun part. Alright guys, like we usually do, paper test. Just normal, everyday, heavy stock paper. Needs a little stropping. Oh yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but there's lots of little yellow fuzzies being pulled up. No biggie. It's still pretty freaking sharp, but we just gotta refine that edge a little. Okay, now for the fun part, paracord pull test. Right through it. Slice. Ooh, what did I do wrong? Huh. I must have missed something there. Sorry, guys. That's just weird. It failed on it too. Probably because of how I was holding it. But it went through 4, no problem. Interesting. Ratchet strap. Interesting. Okay. Glad I added that other one. Interesting. Now, took a look at this in a couple different areas. I got this at my local Walmart, like I said. I saw it, had to have it, and I'm glad because I got the last one at my local one. So yeah, I'm going to have some fun strapping this guy in a moment. But over on Amazon, it's going to run you $29.98 for this one right here. At Walmart, this was $29.98. Blade HQ, which is weird because normally Blade HQ and Amazon are kind of in the same ballpark. But it's $49.95. And over on CRKT, $69.99. Now, it hasn't been reviewed on CRKT. I didn't see any reviews on Walmart.com. Blade HQ, it scored a 4 out of 5 with 2 reviews. And over on Amazon, it scored a 4.5 out of 5 with 49 different reviews. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, guys, sorry, lanyard hole, obviously. But, you know, I want to know what you guys think. Seriously, man. Leave me your questions, your comments, your hatred, whatever, down below. You know I'm going to get into them and I'll respond to you guys. I'd love to know if you guys think, is this a noise? Or is it F? Noise? Or is it an F-bomb? Seriously, guys, I want to know what you think because, you know, your opinion does matter around here. Now, with all that wonderful stuff being said, if you're a first-time viewer of my channel, I want to thank you guys so much for finding this video. You picked a really interesting one to start with today. Seriously, by one of my favorite designers, and it didn't do great out of the box on some cutting. Might have been how I was holding it or force. I don't know. I know there's lots of videos out there, guys. Thank you so much for choosing this one. Now, for you really cool kids who have yet to do it, channel logo right down there, man. Go ahead and destroy that thing, because we believe in second chances. So there's your second chance to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already hovered over that little watermark over there and done it. Now, after you've gone ahead and subscribed, please make sure you destroy the bell icon that is right next to the subscribe. That's going to notify you every single time we upload some more insanity, kind of like this. Now, speaking of some fun, insane videos, dude, I'm going to be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. There we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the Ruger Hollow Point Plus P. Thanks for watching.